explain the Asia continent and the globe. This. What is this?
This is a globe.
What is a globe?
Globe is a model of the earth.
Top is northern pole, bottom is southern pole. Globe is help us to know the size of the earth. It helps us to understand the place and political borders. It helps us to understand the rotation and revolution of the day and night. These are the uses of globe. How many continents are there?
There are 7 continents are there.
Which are those?
Asia continent, Africa continent, North America continent, South America continent,
Antarctica continent,
Europe continent, Australia continent.
Which is the largest and biggest continent in the world?
Asia is the largest and biggest continent in the world.
How many countries are there in Asia continent?
There are 48 countries are there in Asia continent.
This is Asia continent map. Direction: east, west, north, south, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Asia is the largest of all the continents, hence it has the greatest terms in its climate, weather, vegetation, soil, etc. It has the greatest mountains, plateaus, vast fertile plains, river system, lakes, etc. There is a diversities in religions, languages, uneven population in distribution. That's why we call a land of construct. 71% of water, 29% of land. Asia is bounded by ocean on 3 sides and the land on 1 side. Arctic Ocean in the north, Pacific Ocean in the east, Indian Ocean in the south and the land in the west.
Europe continent, Asia continent, Europe continent, Africa continent, North America continent, South America continent, Australia continent, Antarctica continent. The boundary between Asia and Europe traditionally drawn as zigzag line passing through the Spines and Urla Mountain, Caspian Sea, Caucasus, Black Sea. The boundary between Africa is along the Suez Canal and the boundary between Asia and Australia is usually placed New Guinea and Australia.
How many physical divisions are there?
There are 5 major physical divisions are there.
Which are those?
The northwestern lowland, the central island,
The southern plateau,
the great plains of river, the island group. The northwest lowland, they are the most outstanding unique feature of Asia. They extend from Bering Strait to the Caspian Sea. They are between Arctic Ocean and the central island. The vast triangular known as Summerization plain. The general slope is towards the north. The plain is crossed by the Lena, the Obi and the Ellen rivers. They flows northwards into the Arctic Ocean. The central island, the Mount Earth, situated on a north end of India. It is the world highest peak above the sea level. Mount Earth lies drawn on in Nepal and Tibet. There have many successful attempts to success a Mount Everest since it has a 8,848 meters.
The southern plateau, they are the old plateaus made up of the Deccan Plateau in India and the Sham Plateau in Myanmar. The Deccan Plateau occupies a large part of Indian peninsula. It lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats. The river flows in that direction.
Plains of river. These region consists the great plains of the river which flows into the Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. All these rivers source into the central island.
Agriculture is the most important occupation in Asia. About 3/5 of the people are engaged in agriculture. Agriculture product accounts for the major share in Asian export. There is a close relationship between the river system and farming in Asia. Agriculture is largely practiced in river because there is fertile soil and water supply through irrigation. In many Asian countries, most of the farmers use hand tools and animals or cultivation. They follow the intensive farming. Other types of farming are also practiced: irrigation farming, dry farming, plantation farming, mixed farming.